Prince Munetaka. Prince Munetaka Zongzun Kinwang, Munetaka Shinnō 15 December 1242 to September 1274, was the sixth shogun of the Kamakura shogunate of Japan, who reigned from 1252. He was the first son of the Emperor Go-Saga and replaced the deposed Fujiwara no Yoritsugu as shogun at the age of 10. He was a puppet ruler controlled by the Hōjō clan regents. 10 May 1252 Kenchō 4, first day of the fourth month, Hōjō Tokiyori and Hōjō Shigetoki sent a representative to Kyoto to accompany Munetaka to Kamakura, where he would be installed as shogun. 22 August 1266, Bun'ei 3 20th day of the seventh month, Munetaka was deposed, and his son Koreyasu was installed as the seventh shogun at the age of 2. The deposed shogun became a Buddhist monk in 1272. His priestly name was Gyōshō. He was a writer of Waka poetry. Family. Father Emperor Go-Saga, Mother Kara no Maniko d. 1302. Wife Kano Seiko b. 1241. Concubine Horikawa no Tsubone, Tsubone. Children Prince Koreyasu by Seiko, Mizuko Ju 1272, 1329 become Emperor Go-Yuda's consort by Horikawa. Princess Rinchi become Emperor Go-Yuda's consort by Seiko. Prince Tsukayasu by Horikawa. Eras of Munetaka's Bakufu. The years in which Munetaka was shogun are more specifically identified by more than one era name or nengo. Kenchō 1249–1257, Kojin 1256–1257, Shoka 1257–1259, Shōjin 1259–1260, Bun'ei 1260–1261, Kacho 1261–1264, Bun'ei 1264–1275,